Mad love to all my subscribers. Today's style I will be doing some goddess Senegal curly twists, 1B burgundy, and they are hot. I mean hot and soleil. This style, check out these pictures. This style was on fire. Stay tuned and I will show you how this style was accomplished from beginning to end. Yes, continue to watch. Let's get started. Oh my gosh, ladies, when I say this style is being slept on, I mean people are sleeping on this style. I have no idea why, but today I am bringing it to you. This style is absolutely amazing. So if you are looking for a beautiful crochet style that is low maintenance, lightweight, easy to manage, well, this video is for you. So I'm starting off by doing 2 perimeter braids. Yes, I'm doing 2 braids here in the back by the nape of her neck, as you can see here. I always go in and do 2 because I want to make sure my clients are able to pull their hair up into a beautiful ponytail that is undetectable, and that's why I do 2. From the back, I go right into the front. I am doing 8 cornrows going to the back, as you can see here. I am lightly braiding because I want to be easy on her edges. Ladies, our edges unfortunately are the first to go. When I say first to go, I mean first to get thin, first to get damaged is these edges. So when we are braiding these edges, stylists, and if you are doing your own hair, make sure you are going in very lightly with the braids like I am doing here. A lot of times I speed my videos up because of time, but I want to show you how I really take my time with my clients when I am doing their hair. I love on their hair. I give their hair the treatment and the TLC that it needs. Yes, ladies, we need to give our hair some tender, loving care. Make sure that you are hydrating and moisturizing your hair before doing any style. So again, I'm going in and I'm doing 8 braids. I did 4 on that right side, and then I'm going in and I'm doing 4 on this left side. That's going to give her the fullness that she wants in the front, and it's going to make sure that her hair is not too bulky, because that's what we want, ladies. We want to wear beautiful styles that are nice and flat, that doesn't give any humps or any lumps. So as you can see here, I am finishing off the cornrows going to the back, and then with the ends of those braids, I am just going to do 1 braid going across from ear to ear. The end braid on the bottom closest to the ear, I left that braid out. And I left that braid out because, again, I don't want it to be bumpy or lumpy at the top. That's what we do not want, ladies. So this, for me, is the perfect braid pattern for crochets. If you are doing a crochet style, I suggest you do this braid pattern. It's healthy, it's flat, and it comes out very neat. Then I'm going in and I'm going to do the middle. Yes, the middle is super important too, because again, you don't want any humps or any lumps. You want the style to be as flat as possible. So I am doing the braids in the middle, going from side to side. I love doing my crochet braids from side to side because for me, it lays a lot flatter. It gives a more fuller look than braiding the braids going straight down. I know a lot of times most stylists do the braids going straight down, and I do some styles like that too, but mainly for clients who have thicker hair and longer hair, I find that doing the braid side to side works out better, or doing it in a circle. So again, here you can see I'm finishing off the middle. So I did those perimeter braids in the back right here as I'm showing you, and then I did the middle going from side to side, and then I did those cornrows going straight back. Again, I did 8 cornrows. Sometimes I'll do 10. It just depends on how full the client wants their hair. If they want their hair really full, I'll do 10 cornrows going to the back, and as you can see, look how this braid pattern came out. Absolutely wonderful. And here it is. These are the Senegal curly twists. They are goddess. Yes, as you can see here on the label, goddess is imprinted big, and look how beautiful this hair is. I absolutely love it. I loved working with this hair. It was very easy to work with, very easy to manage. It kept its curl pattern throughout the whole duration of the style. And that's another thing that we want, ladies. The way that the hair looks when we take it out the package is the way that we want it to look when the style is completely finished. And that's one of the things that I loved about this hair. Now, the Goddess Senegalese twists are very small, but that's okay because small is easy to work with just as well. The only thing I would suggest about when you're using the really small ones as well as the big ones is to make sure that you are using a finger space, meaning you don't put them too close together. On this bottom row or this bottom braid, I do kind of put them kind of close together only because when I finish this row, I want it to be full so when my client pulls it up off her neck to pull into a ponytail, that it looks nice and full. And that's what we want, ladies, because we have a lot of people who are working out these days. They are trying to stay fit. They are in the gym, they're walking, they're jogging, they're on a treadmill, and they want to pull this hair up off of their head, off their neck. And you want it to look like this, ladies, a nice, full, natural looking ponytail up off the neck, and that's what that gives you. That's why I do 2 perimeter braids at the nape. Here you can see I'm going in the middle, and I am just crocheting, and look how this is filling in. This is why I like doing my braids from side to side. If you haven't tried this braid pattern, try it and let me know what you think about it. Drop me some comments below if you've already been using it or if you think that you may try it. Drop me a comment. I love to get comments. So again, I'm going in and I'm just filling in these braids and making sure that they are falling nicely and that they are covering, because that's what we want. And the fuller your client wants their hair, or the fuller you want your hair, you will do more braids going from side to side. She doesn't want it to be super full, so that's why they're not so many braids going from side to side in the middle. And then here I'm going in to the front. Now, one thing I always want to stress to stylists and to yourself if you're doing your own hair is don't go underneath the whole entire braid. You want to just go through a top portion of the cornrow, as you can see I'm doing here. I am so sorry about my lighting, that it's not really bright because this lighting is horrible. However, hopefully you can see that I am not going all the way underneath the braid. You want to go just through a portion of the braid. This is going to give you the versatility and the flexibility with the crochets to be able to move it from side to side or front to back. And look, here is the completed style. Oh my gosh, it came out absolutely beautiful. My client is loving it. Look how full this is with 8 cornrows going to the back. It is going to be versatile. She can wear a left side part, a right side part, a middle part. She can pull it back off of her neck. She can pull this up into a ponytail. I mean, this style came out so gorgeous. Look at the braid pattern. It is holding, ladies. Again, if you haven't tried these Goddess Senegal twists, curly twists, try them. They are beautiful. This is why they are trending. Don't sleep on this. More people are talking about this style, and I am absolutely sure they are going to go viral. Look how beautiful it came out. This color is absolutely gorgeous. If you want to try this 1B Burgundy, try it. They come in several colors, 1B30, 1B27. And again, I love the way it came out. I love how full it is. Try this braid pattern. Again, give me some comments below. Please drop a heart if you like this style, if you found this video valuable, if you learned anything. Drop me a heart, drop me a comment. Please continue to post on my videos as that helps others see my work. Again, thanks for watching. Stay safe, stay blessed, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you to all my subs. I love you. I appreciate your support. Again, thanks for watching. Stay safe and stay blessed. West Coast Finest Tees, Braids, and Weaves.